Hello everyone, and I hope your 2021 is going well. So let's get started with today's video is on array difference. That's a PHP array function. So what basically array difference do? It basically compares first array against one or more than one array and returns the value in array that are not present in any of the second arrays. So let's see this by example. So in my index file, firstly I'm going to define two array. So in array 1, write some color name, let's say orange, pink, black. After that, define second array in which pass values blue, white, and orange, let's say same in both array. After that, write array difference, pass array 1 as first array and array 2 as array second, and print this array difference. So let's check this into browser. So you can see pink and black is printed. So let's go and check. So array 1 is having pink and black different values, and orange is present in array 1 as well as in array 2. So that's why it is not in the output of array difference. So now let's add one or two more. So write red, then black, and let's go and check. So you can see black is printed two times. So in a single array, it doesn't check if it's having same value or not, as it's just comparing with array 2, not with itself. So let's go and pass some numeric value as well. So change black to 1, and let's see if there is, like, if it's printing or not. So it's also giving array, like one value is also giving. So let me just echo pre and refresh in browser again. So you can see one is also there. So now let's take key value pair. I'm just giving orange a key A, let's say, and let's go and just check what it's giving. So it's still not giving orange as it is present in array 2. So only value is checked, not key. So if I'll change, let's say in second array orange to black, and let's say if orange is coming or not. So now orange with value, sorry, key A is there. So it's taking key value pair as in output. So now let's define key value pair in array 2. So after black, let's say B is having key and orange is its value. So now let's go and refresh. So orange is gone. So it's only checking value, not key. So now let's go and remove orange and pass 1 as a value of B. So let's see what its output. So now orange is there and 1 is gone. So now let's change its key to A and refresh. So now 1 is still not there. So it doesn't check a key value pair. It just take value and check that. So now let's go and define one more array. Let's say array 3. And in that array, I'm just going to define red and just pass this array 3 in array difference. Right now red is coming, so let's just refresh. So red is gone now. So now I'm passing blue as it is not present in first one. So let's go and refresh. So now red is there, but blue doesn't have any effect. So now let's just pass A as orange. So orange is gone. Let's just change the key of it. Still orange is not there. So that's all for array difference. So please let me know if you have any suggestions or you want me to cover any topic. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.